time. We all get a limited amount on this planet, and yet we spend 4,000 hours of our lives washing dishes. This is Capsule, a new way of doing things. Capsule is the result of 4 years of exhaustive research and development. We studied multiple cookware, tableware and kitchens from small households and offices. From that, we determined a unique architecture that best adapts to any environment, takes minimal space, yet fits large items. We don't believe in storing dirty dishes for days. Capsule takes care of that in just 15 minutes. We call it meal wash, as in washing right after a meal and having a tidy kitchen, apartment and office always. Capsule's form factor provides a tight space to wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly, improves water flow and airflow through each item, and makes it much easier to carry around. But we didn't stop there. We worked with academics to add medical-grade UV light disinfection for your phone, face masks and more. Only a handful of products get to create a new product category: the personal music player, the personal computer. After Capsule, the dishwasher will never be the same ever again. Get back 4,000 hours of your life to go out there, to explore, to experience, to love, to make every minute count.